There are few things which you cannot learn from a textbook, that you have to live through to see, to be fully entranced in. Because here is a simple truth. This world is a tough place. Getting what you want, making the most of time you have requires that you put yourself in the position to succeed. It means you see a finish line before one exists. Look, no one ever gonna call you and tell you how incredible your idea is. You can't build a business on potential or win a championship on promise. Results are binary. You either accomplish something or you simply did not. That's it. That's what people see, the result. So that means every second, every step of the way from where you are right now until you cross the finish line depends on you and your thoughts. How you internalized failure, how you look at setbacks when no one around to pat you on the back or tell you how great you are. Will you have enough self-belief to move forward? Because my friends, that's the hardest part. That's what no one talks about. Having the courage to wake up every single day of your life and know that you are building towards something incredible. You are creating a masterpiece from the ground up. And that means when you are looking in the mirror, you believe in what's staring back at you. You see the unseen and you are willing to bring it into your life. That is the foundation that you build greatness on. And it's a daily pursuit, creating milestones, designing the small wins that keep you going, keep you making, that get you past all those times you so desperately want to turn around, but know that for you it simply isn't an option. That is not your reality. You have more waiting for you. Then so you pressed on, clocked in confidence, you move into the unknown, seeking the day the rest of the world looks up and calls you lucky. They look at what you built and say how fortunate you are. But they won't comprehend the 20-hour days, the focus, the ridicule for being different or obsessive or non-conformist. They won't know that self-belief trumped all of that. It was everything. The word great is separate for a reason. It implies a specific set of values and beliefs. That means you saw light when most people saw darkness. That means you said yes when most people said no. You moved forward when the rest of the world turned around. Believe in your greatness. See it, live it. It is there and you need to know that it's there because it will make all the difference. Your self-belief will define you.